guys, I'm Matt Greenwald and I'm 14. I'm from Naples, Florida, and this is my rider spotlight. This year I was racing 90 shifter senior, 90 open senior, and super mini. My favorite tracks are either hard packed and super fast or as rough as you can get, and the track's changing every single lap. Next year I'm looking forward to just moving up to bigger bikes, because this year is kind of too big for my bikes and it got a little annoying, and next year I'll have more power and be able to do bigger stuff. The one thing that's been keeping me motivated the most after my injury in May, I broke my collarbone, is just the push to try to win another championship for the first time. This year I'd like to thank, of course, my parents, my great mechanic Corey Thatcher from Fierce Power Sports, and Maxxis Tires, Elka Suspension, Fly Racing, and Shoei Helmets. The main reason I ride is just to have fun and not to go and win everything, because that's not important. That's the really only reason I ride, is just to have fun, and I love the sport and that's what I do. For the 2021 season, I plan on trying to wrap up 3 championships in the 250 classes: Youth All-Star, Schoolboy Senior, and 250 Mod.
They want me dead or alive. I'm always good on the outside. They can't be me if they try. I only move in darkness. They want me dead or alive. I'm always good on the outside. They can't be me if they try. I only move in darkness.
They can't be me if they try. I only move